In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your PayPal account with Gumroad so you can start receiving payments easily. First, open your browser and go to gumroad.com. On the homepage, look to the top right and click on Login. Sign in to your account using Google is often the fastest way. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to the Settings section. Here you'll find all the important controls for your account. On the left-hand side, click on Payments. This is where Gumroad lets you connect different payout methods. Under the PayPal option, hit Connect. A new window will appear asking you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email and password, then authorize the connection so Gumroad knows where to send your earnings. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Gumroad and see that your PayPal account is now linked successfully. From this point forward, all eligible payouts will be deposited directly into your PayPal account. And that's it. You've just set up PayPal with Gumroad in a few quick steps.